This demonstration will highlight the visualization improvements that have been made in SmartCAM version 14 with the addition of the ACIS solid modeling kernel and the use of OpenGL graphics. These new features not only provide more and better viewing options, they also greatly improve the day-to-day usability and accuracy SmartCAM provides. We are demonstrating the new visualization enhancements in SmartCAM Advanced Turning V14, but these new features are included in all SmartCAM V14 milling, turning, fabrication, and wire EDM applications. We begin by loading an existing process model that had the CAD geometry imported as IGES surfaces. You will notice that the new File Open dialog has been enhanced to include a graphic image preview of the SmartCAM model. By clicking the smaller thumbnail image, you will see a larger version. Version 14 allows you to view a shaded 3D model of your SmartCAM model when it contains surface or solid data. We'll turn on Highlight Inverted Surfaces to make sure all surfaces are properly oriented. Let's select those inverted surfaces and realign them with the rest of the part. Shaded surface picking makes this very easy. Notice how much easier it is to select the surfaces and that they are highlighted in a new selection color. With the inverted surfaces selected, we can now correct their surface orientation using Property Change. We use the Select None icon button to deselect all surfaces. Notice that surfaces that had been highlighted as inverted are now the same color as the surrounding surfaces, indicating that they are no longer inverted. Now let's look at the turning toolpath, viewing from the front view, and turn on transparency to be able to view the toolpath for the inside diameters. We use dynamic zoom and pan to reposition the part. We would like to view just the toolpath and wireframe layer geometry, so we select the surface model and choose the Hide Selected icon on the group palette. When viewing both the CAD geometry in toolpath and wireframe mode, it can be difficult to distinguish between the two. We'll turn on thick step lines, which will help us recognize which is which. The thick lines are now easily distinguishable as the toolpath. To view only the rendered model, without the toolpath or layer geometry, we can use the Invert Visibility icon, which will reverse the view. Let's view all the elements now by clicking the Show Hidden Elements icon button on the group palette. Now, all elements are visible. A new Tooltips pop-up display option displays item descriptions near the item, instead of in the display line at the bottom of the SmartCAM window. By holding the cursor over an item such as an icon button or step, the tooltip will pop up. For steps, the tooltips will show the default tool description and any optional user descriptions. For icons and menus, Tooltips displays the single-line help description. Previously, when using ShowPath toolpath verification, the SmartCAM model was restricted to a static view. With the addition of the new graphic capabilities in version 14, users can dynamically zoom, rotate, pan, and spin the SmartCAM model during the ShowPath simulation to change the orientation to the best view for different sections of the machining process. The new Copy Image function found on the File menu provides users the ability to copy the current view of the model image to use elsewhere, making process setup files easier to create and document. The new visualization improvements found in SmartCAM version 14 provide more and better viewing options, as well as greatly improving the day-to-day usability and accuracy that SmartCAM provides. The addition of viewing solids in the G-View workspace makes distinguishing between the CAD geometry and the toolpath elements very easy. SmartCAM V14 provides options for shaded surface selection, hiding selected elements, toggling between hidden and viewed elements, displaying thick element lines, and transparently displaying the solid rendered model. Dynamic rotation and zoom during ShowPath provides easier verification of the toolpath. For more information on SmartCAM version 14, check the SmartCAM CNC website or consult the SmartCAM V14 help files. If you would like more information on obtaining version 14 or to receive a no-obligation trial, please email us at sales@smartcamcnc.com.